In front of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to access Privacy. Then select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like Camera. Then select one of your apps and apply the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click and go back, I can start from just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this app. But you can always select any app and then choose See All Permissions instead. Now manage all of them only for your app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!